With a budget of up to 5 million Uganda shillings, you can start a range of businesses that have high profit margins and the potential for growth. Welcome back to my YouTube channel. This is Man and Beyond with SC. Let's start. Number 1 business, hardware store. Startup cost can be around 3.5 to 5 million Uganda shillings. A small hardware store selling building materials like cement, nails, iron sheets, paint, and so many others can be highly profitable, especially in growing towns or near developing areas. Number 2, restaurant or cafe. Startup costs can be around 2 million to 5 million shillings. Opening a small restaurant or cafe in a busy area can be a profitable venture. You can serve local dishes or fast foods, targeting busy workers or students. With the right menu and good service, the business can grow quickly. Number 3, bar or lounge. Startup costs around 3 million to 5 million shillings. A small bar or lounge can do well in urban centers or high-traffic areas, offering alcohol, beverages, soft drinks, and snacks with a good ambience. It will attract customers. Number 4, clothing boutique. New clothes. Startup costs around 2 million to 5 million. With this budget, you can open a boutique selling new clothes, shoes, and accessories or bags. The key to success will be in selecting fashionable and trending items that appeal to your target audience. Number 5, a pharmacy. Startup costs around 3 million to 5 million Ghana shillings. Opening a pharmacy is a highly profitable business in Uganda. With the capital, you can secure a location, purchase medicines, and obtain the necessary licenses. Number 6, piggery farming. Startup costs can be around 2 million to 4 million if you're starting on a large scale. Piggery farming is a profitable agricultural business. With the funds, you can invest in a good pig breeds, build pig housing, and purchase feed. You can make profits by selling pork or breeding pigs for sale. Number 7, barbershop or salon chain expansion. Startup cost can be around 2 million, 5 million. If you already have a barbershop or a salon, a unisex salon, this budget can help you expand your services or open another branch. You can invest in more equipment, better branding, or specialized services like manicures and pedicures. Number 8, cybercafe and printing services. Startup cost around 3 million to 5 million Ugandan shillings. A cybercafe offering internet services, printing, scanning, photocopying, and so many others can be profitable. You can set up near universities, schools, or business areas. Number 9, transport business, boda or car hire. Startup costs under 3 million to 5 million. You can buy 2 bodas, or let me say motorcycles, and hire riders to generate income. Alternatively, you can invest in a used car or offer car hire or taxi services. Number 10, dry cleaning and laundry services. Startup cost 2 million to 4 million Ghana shillings. A dry cleaning and laundry service in urban area can be very profitable. With this budget, you can buy a few washing machines, ironing equipment, dry cleaning machines, detergents, and so many others. Number 11, a mini supermarket. Startup costs around 3 to 5 million Ghana shillings. You can open a small supermarket that sells groceries, toiletries, household items, and so many others. With a good location, consistent stock, and customer service, you can attract steady flow of customers. And the good thing with supermarkets, you can even get all these things on credit. You pay the suppliers after selling these items. Have number 12, stationery and office supply. Start-up cost 2.5 to 5 million Ghana shillings. Starting a stationery and office supply store near schools, university or business centers can guarantee or can generate consistent income. So items like pens, notebooks, printers, papers, and so many others. Number 13, event planning and rentals. Startup cost 2.5 to 5 million Ugandan shillings. With some capital, you can offer event planning services for weddings, corporate events, and parties. You can also buy items like tents, chairs, and decorations for rental services. Number 14, beauty and cosmetics shop. Startup cost 3 million to 5 million Ugandan shillings. A cosmetic shop selling beauty products like makeup, skincare, hair products, and so many others can do well in urban areas. With proper marketing, you can attract loyal customer base. Number 15, bakery. Specialty or bread. You can even do other things. Startup cost 3 million to 5 million Ghana shillings. You can start a bakery producing bread, cakes, and pastries. You can supply to local shops, sell direct to customers. Offering specialty cakes for events can also bring in extra income. Number 16, you have mobile phone sales and repair shop. Startup cost 2.5 to 5 million Ghana shillings. A shop that sells mobile phones, accessories, and offers repair services can guarantee or can generate good income. You can also offer mobile money services for additional revenue streams and line swap, like other services. Have 17 graphic design and printing businesses. Startup costs around 3 million to 5 million Ghana shillings. With a good computer, design software, and a quality printer, you can start a graphic design business offering services like designing posters, banners, business cards, and so many others, even wedding cards. 18, you have small-scale dairy farming. Startup cost 3 million to 5 million Ghana shillings. With this budget, you can invest in a few dairy cows and start producing milk for sale and sell milk to local markets or direct to consumers. Number 19, you have catering business. Startup cost around 3 million to 5 million Ghana shillings. If you have culinary skills, starting a catering business for events like weddings, parties, and corporate functions can be profitable. Invest in cooking equipment, marketing, and small team to help with preparation and delivery. Lastly, number 20, event equipment rental. Startup cost 2.5 to 5 million Ghana shillings. Rent out event equipment such as chairs, tents, sound systems, tables for weddings, conferences, and other social events. This business can offer consistent income, especially during the peak event season. That's all for today. With proper planning and execution, these businesses can grow over time, offering a return on your investment and expanding opportunities for success. Always research the market and understand your customers before starting. Don't forget to subscribe. Don't forget to like, comment down in the comment section. More other business ideas for 5 million and below. And in case of anything, any comments from the ones I've mentioned or any clarification, you can comment down below. I'll be replying. Thank you so much. Bye-bye.